We guide you through how to connect Shopify to Instagram. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure your store is fully set up with products added, descriptions complete, and inventory updated. Next, go to Settings, tap on Apps and Sales Channels, then add to Facebook and Instagram sales channel. Once installed, connect your Facebook account and select the correct Facebook Business Manager. Make sure your Instagram account is the professional account, either business or creator, and link to your Facebook page. After connecting, choose the product catalog you want to sync, then submit your account for review. Instagram will review your shop, which usually takes a few days. Once approved, go to your Instagram profile, tap Edit Profile, then select Shop and connect your product catalog. That's it.